Hello students, Vande Matram, how are you? I think you all are fine. Now, welcome to the online learning class of science conducted by Seema teacher. Today I am going to teach you some topics into which the word is cotton. First of all, I am going to tell you about cotton, cultivation of cotton and uses of cotton. So these three topics I am going to explain you today. Children, this word cotton is very common to you. Cotton means sooth, rui. This cotton is obtained from the fruit of the cotton plant. You know, this cotton is a soft, fibrous material. So when we get this fibrous material from the fruit of the cotton plant, we can say that this is the plant source of fiber. Children, before getting fibrous materials from the fruit of the plant, we have to do so many practices in order to cultivate this plant, into which, first of all, the best soil which is needed for the perfect growth, best growth of cotton plant is the clay black soil. This cannot be grown in all the kind of soil. If it can be grown, it cannot give you the output product in the best quantity. So children, in India, there are so many states into which this kind of soil is available, is present, into which this plant can grow very best. The states like Maharashtra, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, etc., into which this plant grows best. Children, for the growth of any plant, temperature is required. So, for the growth of cotton plant, the temperature is required up to 25 degree centigrade. This plant needs the temperature up to 25 degree centigrade. And the climate which is required for the growth is hot and humid. The temperature which is required is hot and humid. Children, I have told you about the type of soil. I have told you about the temperature. Now, I am going to say that for the growth of this plant, it also requires rain. It also requires water availability. So, the average, as you all know, that the main source of water for any plant is the rain. Without any cost, plant gets water from the source of rain. So children, about 60 to 100 centimeter of average rainfall is needed for the best growth of this plant. So this I have said. Now I am going to say that what is the height of the plant? कितने ऊंचाई का, कितनी लंबाई का ये प्लांट होता है? So the height of the plant is up to 1 to 2 meter long. When plant reaches up to 1 to 2 meter long, at that stage the plant gets its fruit, growth of fruit into its body, into its branches, and after that steadily the fibrous material just develops, grows inside the fruit of the cotton plant. So this is all about the simple demonstration of cotton plant. Now the next step is cultivation of cotton plant. Cultivation means growing. How can we grow this cotton plant to get the soft fibrous material of cotton? Children, in India, the best growing season for the cotton plant is March to November. It means that from spring season to winter season. First of all, farmers select the soil, black soil, clay soil. After that, they plow that soil, and after that, the next step is to sow the seeds. Farmer selects the best quality of cotton seeds and they sow into the soil. After sowing, you all know that the moisture of the soil gives us the tendency to grow, to germinate the seeds. When seeds germinate, children, in the initial state, it takes its nutrients from the cotyledons of the seed, and when seed grows more and more, it gets converted up into, well developed into radicle and plumule. Radicle means roots and plumule means stem. So when the roots and shoots develop, it also develops the leaves, and leaves prepares the food by the process of photosynthesis. After that, flowering stage comes and flower gets converted up into fruits, into which this fluffy soft material grows or develops. So children, when the fruit of the plant grows well, it is called as the cotton ball. The cotton ball grows very slowly, very steadily into the body of the plant, and when this cotton ball, as you can see into this figure, this is the figure of cotton plant. When this fruit of the cotton ball grows steadily, inside this soft fluffy material of the cotton is present, and that can be used in the form of cotton balls. When this fruit gets mature and its color changes up into greenish to brown color, when it dries due to the heat of the sun, it is ready to remove from the body of the plant. Means at this time the dispersal of this fruit is needed in order to get the perfect quantity of the production of the cotton fiber. Children, this I have explained about the cultivation of cotton. When this fibrous cotton is removed from the fruit of the plant, it is collected at a place, and you can also know that the fibrous material also attached with the seeds of the cotton fruit. When this is attached with the seed, it is also needed to remove that seed, and that can be done by the process of ginning. It means that separation of seeds from the fiber of the cotton is known as ginning. When the fiber is ginned, then it is obtained into the soft material, and that can be washed, it can be dried off, and it is used to spin. The next step is to spin. When we spin or twist the fiber of the cotton, it makes the yarn or the thread, and that thread is used to weave the cloth with the help of hand loom machine or the power loom machine. We can also knit the cotton clothes, or we can also knit the woolen clothes by the help of knitting needles. So children, in this way I have explained you about the cultivation of cotton. The next topic is uses of cotton. After the cultivation, the fiber which is obtained, it can be differently manufactured, differently processed to use it in various fields in our daily life. In the simple form, when we get the cotton fiber from the fruit, it can be used into the absorption of blood or the pus from the wound. It means that cotton is a good absorbent. It is used into the hospitals, over the surgeries, over the bleeding, over the absorption of cleaning of the pus from the wound. This cotton is also used to make cotton fabrics. Cotton fabrics is made by the use of this cotton, and cotton is converted into thread, and this thread is used to weave the fabrics of cotton. Children, not only this cotton is also blended with synthetic fiber like terylene, then it will gives you terracotta like fabrics. In different ways, we are also using the cotton into our daily life, as it is also used in the form of making cotton towel, cotton shirt, cotton sari, etc. So that's all about the uses of cotton. In this way, I have finished all this topic. I hope you all have understood this. So that's all for today's online learning class. Thank you. Have a nice day, children. Bye bye.